Hello students, welcome to Extreme Telugu. Today we are going to see lesson number 3, acids, bases and salts under 10th class chemistry, and the topic to be discussed in this video is, do acids produce ions only in aqueous solutions? The meaning is, say HCl is there, hydrochloric acid. If it is available in powder form or if it is available in gaseous form, does it exhibit all the properties of acids or not? Will it exhibit properties of acids only when it is aqueous solution, that is in liquid form? Let us try to understand. Here we have taken a test tube to conduct this activity. In this test tube, we have taken some NaCl, that is nothing but sodium chloride, your common salt, and then into this test tube we have added some concentrated H2SO4, that is nothing but sulfuric acid. Now let us try to understand the reaction that will take place in this test tube. NaCl plus H2SO4, the reaction takes place, and what do we get? Here let me take 2 NH. These 2 NH will react with SO4 to give Na2SO4, that is nothing but sodium sulfate, which is nothing but a salt. And then this 2 hydrogens here and this 2 chlorines here, they will come together to form 2 HCl. 2 hydrogens here, 2 chlorines here will give you 2 HCl. Now here an interesting thing is, this HCl is not aqueous solution, but it is present in the form of gas. That is, HCl gas is produced, whereas Na2SO4 is nothing but aqueous solution. Aqueous solution. This is gas. Now this HCl gas, as it is gas, it will try to travel upward, and this gas can be collected through the delivery tube, and as this gas is released outside, near its mouth or near the opening of this delivery tube, if you are keeping a blue litmus paper, what will happen? Let us try to understand. And this blue litmus paper can be put there in dry or wet form. That is, if we put dry litmus paper there, what will happen? If we put wet litmus paper there, what will happen? Let us try to understand. If we put dry litmus paper here, it is observed that there is no change in color. Blue remains to be blue only. If it is wet litmus paper put over there, it is observed that the half which has been made wet has turned its color from blue to the red. Why? Because the wet paper has got some moisture. There is nothing but water content is there. When water content is coming into touch with HCl gas, dry HCl gas, the dry HCl gas will turn aqueous. That is nothing but when water is added with HCl, then we will have some H plus ions formed, and as H plus ions are formed, the solution or the aqueous HCl will exhibit the property of acid. Otherwise, the first one is also HCl only, that is dry HCl gas. The dry HCl gas, in coming contact with a dry litmus paper, is not exhibiting any property of acid. But when a wet litmus paper is kept in front of a dry HCl gas, then the wetness is absorbed by the HCl and then it will become dilute HCl. Dilute HCl will give you acidic nature, or else concentrated HCl also, if it is present in solution form, that is aqueous form, then only it will act as acid, otherwise it will not act as acid. So this activity is very important, that dry HCl gas cannot act as acid, and wet or aqueous HCl can only act as acid. Why? Because acids produce ions only in aqueous solutions. That is our conclusion. Ions are produced only in aqueous solutions. H plus ion is produced only in aqueous solution. Hence, HCl is acting as acid. So, while doing this experiment, you have to make sure that your hands are covered with gloves, so that whenever you are pouring concentrated H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, into this test tube, by mistake, if at all, few drops of acids are falling onto your hand, then also your hand is not damaged. Otherwise, you can make use of holders, test tube holders. If this test tube is made or held using the help of a test tube holder, then also we can keep our second hand away as we are pouring the H2SO4 solution, or you can wear the hand gloves. These are the precautions to be taken while doing this experiment. Aim of the experiment is to prove that ions are produced only in aqueous solutions. Apparatus, test tube, gloves, holder, NaCl, H2SO4, rubber cork, delivery tube, litmus paper, etc. Procedure: take a test tube, add some NaCl and pour H2SO4. Close the test tube with a rubber cork and add a delivery tube into the rubber cork. After some time, put a litmus paper onto the opening of delivery tube, near the opening of delivery tube. If it is dry litmus paper, then you will not find any change in the color. If it is wet blue litmus paper, it will turn red into color, indicating that ions are produced only in aqueous solutions. Hope you understood this lesson. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel Extreme Tele. Thank you.